Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can import a template in your WPBakery WordPress website. So let me log in into my demo website. Simply you can log in into any WordPress website by /wp-admin, and after that make sure that you have installed this plugin. Just you can go here, and after that you can upload the plugin file. If you want to get this plugin, just you can go on the official website and you can get for $59 for single website. Okay guys, if you want to export any template, how you can do that? Let me go on the home page, scroll down, and here you can see there is no option for the template import. Now let's install a plugin. Search for a keyword WPBakery, then scroll down. Here you can see this is the plugin, just you can install, and after that activate. Then on the left side, here you can see in the end templates import and export. Now click here import, then select the file, and after that here you can see I have two templates. Okay guys, it has imported successfully. Then after that let's reload the page, and here you can see templates, and these are templates that I have added. Now click here on the plus icon. Now the template is added on the bottom of this page. In this way you can easily add and import templates in your WPBakery WordPress website.